in. I know you guys are seeing me in a complete different setting. I'm not used to making videos, but I wanted to get on top of my A game, my design game, my creativity game, and bring content this year in 2021. So I wanted to think of small projects to do to bring to you guys, just to keep you in the mix, to keep myself going and staying motivated. So today's project, we are going to do stacked pants. Something super simple, super affordable. And after I complete this project, there's going to be one person that's going to be able to purchase this item from me, the complete set. So as soon as this video is posted, completed, I'm going to drop my Cash App name at the end, and whoever is the first to claim it, it's yours for a very affordable price. And yeah, so I'm excited to be viewing to my audience, tuning in to you guys and everything. So just keep rocking with me on the journey, y'all, and let's get to it. All right, guys, so here we have, I have all my pieces laid out here, ready to go. These are just basic sweatpants. You can get them from Walmart, Roses, Dollar Store, anywhere you prefer, but just basic sweatpants. These are a men's size medium. I am a large in women's. So because it's a smaller size, I don't think I would really need to alter them much. So we're just gonna go with these. But this project that I'm doing today is not really for a tutorial. This is just content purposes. But if you're more of a visual person and you're good with following along, then this may benefit you. But overall, this is just for content and to just have fun with you guys, and I hope we can keep doing this. Now, if you are a big fan of Taja Le Chic, then you know that I love two-tone stuff. I love putting different patterns together. So here we have, instead of doing a solid gray, we're going to do half gray and half black. So now we have the crew necks. This is a men's medium as well. Once again, I didn't feel like I needed the large because I didn't want it to be too big, and I didn't want to have to alter if I didn't have to. So with the crew neck, we're actually going to be using the sleeve to create the stacked look for the pants. So I'm going to be cutting right at the seam of the arm, and we'll do this for both the gray and the black pair. So moving right along, I now have the sweatpants, and this is where we are going to be cutting both sweatpants in half so that we can combine the gray and the black together. So I hope you guys are ready for the fun part now that we've got everything cut out. I have both sweatpants cut in half, but don't worry. I'm about to prep my sewing machine so we can sew these babies back together. And as you guys know, if you're following along, we're doing half black and half gray. Quick shout out to all my designers out there, my seamstress. Recording and sewing and doing all this is not easy, I'm gonna tell you that, and that's probably why I don't record a lot of videos. But I appreciate you guys, and I can't wait till you guys see the outcome. these are going to be so dope. Like, y'all don't understand. I love two-tone stuff, and these turned out perfect. Like, they're already so dope to me. But we're just going to keep it moving, and we're going to add on the stack part. If you followed through the beginning, then you know that we cut the sleeve out from the crew neck. And so we're just going to attach the same color to the same color side of the pants. And boom, just like that, y'all, we got stacked pants. Do you hear me? This was so refreshing to do. This project was super simple, easy, fun. If you're a designer, you know everything is time consuming. There's no easy way of rushing through putting a project together. But this was super fun. I'm excited for you guys to see the end. But I couldn't stop right there, y'all, because you cannot have a bottom without a top. So I took the crew neck and I really just wanted to let my creativity flow and just come up with something. I didn't plan it or have an idea of where I was going with it. So I just played around with it. I tried it on, thought of different things I could do with it. So this video is coming to an end, but I do want to thank you guys for tuning in for my first comeback video. Once again, the Cash App will be posted at the end of this. Results are going to be posted. You'll see the pictures of the final piece. You guys know that I bought this as 2 sets and turned it into 1, which means I have the opposite set. So that will be the set that you guys can purchase for a very affordable price at the end of this. Whoever claims it first, whoever drops that Cash App first is going to get it. It's a size men's medium, and yes, keep tuning in, guys. I promise I'm going to keep up with the content. I love you guys. God bless. Keep doing y'all thing, whatever it is. Keep aspiring. Keep just stay positive and keep dream chasing, y'all.